So now I will show you the demo of this game. In this game, there are two main characters, an snake and an apple. In this game, the snake needs to eat an apple. When he eats apple, so our point increases as you can see on the screen.
Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib Tomar and welcome back to my channel Curious Shoaib. Friends, today I am going to tell you that how to make a snake game in Scratch. So if you want to learn Scratch, so like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin.
So now let's make the game. First I will open the Scratch in my browser and then create. We need two characters and one backdrop. First delete this default sprite and now take an apple and set its size to 50. Now let's paint our snake. So name this sprite snake and this costume head. Now first I will make this none color and now I will choose color blue. Then select circle and now I will adjust its size. So this side is perfect. So now let's make its eyes. So I am make this eye and now go to select and copy and then paste this eye on the other side. I will select this eye and adjust it. So now let's make its tongue. For this I will choose red color and line red color and go to then line and set its size to 5. Now its tongue has been done. Now duplicate and now delete all eye and tongue and name it body. So it will be the snake's body. So we have two main costumes. Now select backdrop. Go to this backdrop, convert to vector, set color green. If you want, so you can take any else color. So now our backdrop has been selected. Now let's make the code for snake. First, go to events, when green flag click. Now we need two variables. First delete this and now make weight lag. This variable is for the speed that controls the speed of our character. And now second, score. And score will be for if snake touches apple, so change score by 1. When green flag click, set weight lag to 0 and duplicate this and paste it. When green flag click, set score to 0. It means when green flag click, so our score and weight lag will be 0. Now let's go to looks, show. And now go to motion and set its position y0 minus 30. So it will be good position. So I will make its position minus 30 and y0. Now pointing direction 90. Now switch costume to snake head. Now go to control and select here forever. If then sensing and touching edge. Touching edge, then go to broadcast and put it here, restart. And then go to looks and then hide, then control, stop all. Means when we green flag click, red flag and score will be set to 0 and our character will be show and its position will be minus 30 by 0. Forever means repeated time. And if then touching edge, broadcast message, restart, hide, stop all. Means it will hide and stop all. And now let's go to motion, drag and drop here, move 5 steps, then go to control, create clone of myself. And now let's take, when I start as a clone, switch costume to body, wait like seconds, and then delete this clone. And now go to events, take when right arrow key press, pointing direction 90. Now duplicate this. When left arrow key press, pointing direction minus 90, and duplicate this. When up arrow key press, point in direction 0, and duplicate this. Now when down arrow key press, pointing direction 180. And now clean up block. So our snake code has been done, and now let's go to apple. When green flag click, show variable score, show. And now go to X. Now go to operator, pick random, minus 200 to 200, and now duplicate this and paste it here and make it 150 to 1. Now let's go to control, forever, if then, go to sensing, touching, snake. Now duplicate this side and now paste it here, and go to variable and change score by 1 and put it here. Change wait lag by 0.05 seconds. So our game has been completed. So let's see the demo. So you can see our game is working. If you like this game, so like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video.